I know what you're thinking. Number one is, where have you been, Silvia? Number two, what do you have in your eye? I don't know yet. Why is there an how to make an espresso video in your channel? I know it's weird, but if you want to stay and see how to create multiple streams of income online in 2022, then this is the place for you to be. I'm here to stay, guys. I'm here to stay. I know I've been neglecting you, but if you're new, welcome to the channel. My name is Silvia. I'm an Amazon seller, and I help online sellers scale their Amazon business fast without making expensive mistakes and without overwhelm. Passive income is a real thing. Now, I can assure you that there are no scammers out there. I think there are, and they are very abundant. I recently got into crypto. CNBC in August 2021 said women are dragging behind men, and I'm here to prove you wrong. We're not here to say, we are here to dominate the crypto market. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. I really appreciate you being here. I hope you're gonna follow along the journey, get some energy, get entertained. Let's do it.